eHome Household Service provides integrated household services, mainly home appliance services, housekeeping services, and senior care services. They partner with individuals and service stores for their home appliance services, while they primarily partner with individual service providers who serve as independent contractors for their housekeeping services. An online platform integrates these offline service providers to provide professional one-stop household services to their customers. Installation, repair, maintenance, and other after-sales services are available for various home appliances. Customers can place orders on their website or WeChat platform. The company aims to provide the best service experience by evaluating complaints and providing additional services or refunds when necessary. They also sell accessories such as control panels, electric boards, condensers, compressors, and TV screens. The company's housekeeping services include home cleaning and maternity matron services. The standard charge is 50 RMB per hour with a minimum order requirement of 4 hours. Customers can place orders through their WeChat platform, and payments are made via their platforms. Approximately 90% of customers are urban residents, particularly white-collar workers. Their housekeeping services are provided by more than 2,800 cleaners who work as independent contractors. The same cleaner is usually assigned to the same customer for better quality service and relationship building. For senior care services, customized options like smart wristwatches with functions like time, blood pressure measurement, heart rate measurement, pedometer, locator, and calling. Free watches are given to beginning-level customers, and charges are applied through an annual fee for services, which go towards paying community doctors for health records and consultation services. Other services involve accompanying seniors to hospitals, preparing Chinese herbal treatments, or assigning personnel to take care of them. Promotions and discounts are offered for related services, such as installation and maintenance or housekeeping, when requested by watch users. To remain competitive, eHome Household Service considers quality and speed of service, brand awareness and reputation, customer satisfaction, pricing and promotions, professional sales forces, service provider network, and referrals. For more on eHome Household Service and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.